Hey man, you think we got enough to make a video?
I think we did, bud.
You check with your local, state, or federal laws before you do anything that has been done in this video. This is for demonstration purposes only. If you enjoy this, please subscribe. Make sure you click that bell button. See, I've been having this problem with my neighbor flying drone over here lately. Trying to get a shot of my beautiful mannequin all laid out, getting some sun. And I ain't gonna solve this problem with no super soaker. Okay? And now I wish I could. I ain't gonna solve this with no little flame torch. So what I got me is a backpack. Yeah, what we got here is a disaster waiting to happen.
Things are gonna be okay.
But yeah, that's how you shoot down a drone in 2019 with the flamethrower. She gonna vote Trump this year. But I'm still undecided. So. Well, you know what they say. It's all fun and games till somebody loses a wiener. Keep in mind your regulatory rules when you're shooting down other people's drones. Hate to see you get locked up. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, and don't forget, wieners are good. And God bless imported beer. It's like sitting around a campfire at night, you know, like they're toasty on one side and cold on the other.